After 2 years of courtship and waiting, almost 3 years of exclusively praying for marriage, and 4 meetings with my parents asking for their blessing, God has brought us here in His own time.
Want to be your man, and you're the one who understands, alright. You're the good kind. Think I love you. Such a good time. Just adore you.
Hana, napakabuti ng ating Panginoon at nakarating tayo sa ganitong parte ng ating relasyon. Tunay ngang pinagpapala niya ang mga taong sumusunod at umiibig sa Kanya. Sa Kanya ang lahat ng papuri at pagpupugay sa mga nangyayari sa atin ngayon at mangyayari pa sa ating buhay sa mga susunod na araw.
Just adore you. You're the good kind. Think I love you. Such a good time. Just adore you.
Yeah, yeah. Look at me!
Somehow our God knows what the meaning of what best really is. He always chose to seek God and obey His direction, which was to honor my parents, follow their boundaries, and be a good steward of the gifts and the little that you had. Your genuine faith and obedience showed that you were truly a good man and that you were willing to go through the long road to honor God.
Meron din pong kaunting kalungkutan na nararamdaman dahil ang pakiwari natin, tayo po ay mababawasan ng anak. Alam niyo po, hindi po totoo yon. Hindi kayo nababawasan ng anak, bagkus po, kayo po ay nadadagdagan pa ng isa pang anak.
Tunay nga akong pinagpala ng Diyos at biniyayaan niya ako ng isang katulad mo, isa kang hiwaga sa pagmamahal ng Diyos na pinagkaloob sa akin. Alam kong mahirap na desisyon ang sumama sa akin habang buhay. Kaya gusto kong magpasalamat sa iyo sa pagpili sa akin at pagmamahal sa akin. This ring is a token of my love for you. With this ring, I pledge my life and my love and all I have to you until death separate us. I promise to always be faithful to you. Nay, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyong dalawa ni Tatay sa pagpapalaki sa amin ng abot ng inyong makakaya. Maraming salamat, Inay, dahil kahit napakahirap ng buhay, hindi kayo sumuko sa pagpapalaki sa amin. Saludo ko sa inyong dalawa ni Tatay.
Okay, Mommy and Daddy, I don't even know where to begin. God is so good to me for giving me the biggest blessings of my life, apart from Jesus and Bien, which are the two of you. I have done nothing to deserve parents like you, but such is the grace of God to His people.
This means I love you. From afar, pag school, lagaganon siya sa akin. From afar. Oh, hirap. And then yun. It means I love you.
My mind's a wrecking ball, swinging in between doubts and fears and all the things that I can't see.
pala, gusto ko ding gamitin yung pagkakataon na ito para magpasalamat sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pagtulong mo sa akin, sa pag-aaral ko, sa paggabay sa aking pag-aaral at pagpupursige na gawin yung lahat ng makakaya ko para maabot yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay.
You're like nothing I've known.
Maraming salamat kasi sa dinami-dami lalaki na umaligid sa'yo, pinili mo ako. Pinili mo yung taong hindi mo inaasahan na makakasama mo habang buhay. Pinili mo yung taong jologs at pero madami namang pangarap sa buhay. Hindi ko lubos maisip na karapat-dapat ako sa pagpili mo, pero salamat sa pagtitiwala sa akin.
I honestly believe I would still be full and satisfied even without a husband. But just this past New Year, God encouraged me that if I felt like I had a good life so far, He assured me that with you, Bien, the best is yet to come. Whether that best means success, or tragedy, or prosperity, or uncertainty, I can have peace knowing that together, we have yet to experience and grasp how wide and long and high and deep is the love of Christ.
Bien, this is it. Bien, you may now kiss your bride 5 minutes only.
So today, I choose to be your wife, and I choose and I will choose you from today and every day until Jesus calls us home.
Iniibig kita at pipiliin kitang ibigin at makasama habang buhay.